planet is a masterpiece, teeming with life and interconnected beauty. Yet our actions have severe impacts: pollution, deforestation, and climate change jeopardize the health of our environment. Environmental ethics remind us of our responsibility. They guide us to honor and protect the natural world through mindful and sustainable practices. Simple actions like reducing waste, conserving energy, and protecting habitats are a step towards ethical stewardship of our planet. Working together and fostering a culture of respect for nature, we can build a sustainable future where both people and environmental flourish. Let's embrace environmental ethics and contribute to positive changes.